In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause a Klaviyo email funnel flow. Whether you're troubleshooting, making updates, or just want to stop emails from going out while you review your setup, knowing how to properly pause a flow is really important. I'll walk you through the process using the latest Klaviyo interface, and I'll explain what each option actually does so you can choose the one that's right for your situation. First, log into your Klaviyo account and look at the left-hand sidebar. In that menu, find and click on Flows. This is where all of your automated email funnels live. Once you're on the Flows page, you'll see a list of all the flows you've created. Take a moment to locate the exact flow you want to pause. When you found it, click the name of that flow to open it. Klaviyo will now take you into the Flow Builder view. This is the visual canvas where you see all your emails, delays, and logic laid out. In the top right corner of this flow builder, look for the button labeled Update Status. Go ahead and click that. When you click Update Status, a drop-down menu will appear with a couple of options that control how the flow behaves. The two key options you'll use here are Manual and Draft. If you choose Manual, Klaviyo will stop automatically sending messages, but it will still queue new recipients. That means people can continue to enter the flow, but their messages won't go out until you manually review or resume things later. This is useful if you want to pause sending while still tracking who would have entered, so you can decide what to do with them afterward. If you choose Draft, that's a more hard stop. Setting the flow to Draft stops all activity immediately. New recipients won't enter, and no further emails will be sent. This is a good choice if you're making big changes, or if you need to shut everything down right away to prevent any unintended messages. Once you've selected either Manual or Draft, look for the button that says Save or Update Status to confirm your choice. Click that to finalize the change. Klaviyo will then apply your new status to the entire flow, and that's all you need to do. By following these steps, you can quickly and confidently pause any email funnel in Klaviyo, either temporarily with Manual or completely with Draft, depending on what your strategy calls for.